Booga, Scented, and Nyrox. They all have something in common. It's probably not what you're thinking. Now, although all three of these people made hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars playing Fortnite, that's not what I'm talking about in specific. It's what they did after they quit Fortnite. All three transferred the same skill set into the world of crypto meme coins. Now, meme coins are just tokenized attention, whether that be a TikTok meme, that be a big Elon Musk tweet, or that be a famous dog. Like, for example, recently we had the 6'7" trend go massive all over TikTok, all over Instagram, and the 6'7" kid Maverick himself actually made a meme coin for that and made people hundreds of thousands of dollars by just buying that meme coin. That's all it is. It's simple in theory, but it's very, very hard in practice. So why were Fortnite pros so good at meme coins? It's because they were used to sitting in front of their screen for long hours. A lot more people take ages to learn when they start out crypto because they're just trading 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours a day. But when these Fortnite pros came in, they didn't start slow. They started very fast, going 12, 14 hours on their first weeks grinding, and they cut the skill curve very quickly due to the amount of hours they were putting in. Now, the next reason I'm going to say is, I don't know what to call it. I would say natural talent of them being faster and also being in similar situations in the past. Meme coins have a lot of pressure aspect, a lot of you have to be fast, and the faster you research, the more money you make. And for this, I'll actually show a few direct examples of Fortnite pros that showed off their talent of being fast on the new pairs category and making money as a result of it. So this is Scented. You might know him from his Fortnite days. He attended the World Cup. He did many big things, and he had a big content creation career. But he actually trades meme coins now and is one of the top trenches, if not the very best trader at the current moment in time. On his main wallet alone, he's made over $8 million US in just the last year alone, which is absolutely insane to think of, about how little he was making from the Fortnite days, you know, in comparison to this. So if we go down to the smaller time zone, you can see he's made over $500,000 in the last 30 days, just on his main wallet. If you add all his side wallets and everything else he trades on, he's probably up close to $1 million in the last 30 days. And he's actually been on break for the last week. So in 3 weeks, he's made close to $1 million in the trenches, which is insane to think of. But if you look at his medium hold time and the amount of tokens he's traded, you can see how this skill transferred over from being a Fortnite pro and being very quick with the 90s and shooting and everything that's a part of the game that you need to be very quick and fast reactions, that transferred over to meme coins. He only had an average of 6 seconds holding each different coin, which he traded over 3,900 coins in the last 30 days alone, which is absolutely insane. And you can see the P&Ls as a result of it. The P&Ls aren't huge, but they stack up, you know, 5 sol, 3 sol, 2 sol, 10 sol, multiple times a day, and they stack up very quickly. And all these fast-paced gameplay from his Fortnite days directly transferred into this skill set he's now learned as meme coins. Now, this is just a random example of the chart he's made money on. You can see how quickly he bought it. These FBs are him buying, and then this FS is him selling. So you can see each one of these candles is 1 second. So he buys it here, he buys a little bit more here, and then within the 6 candles, he's already started selling. And then within 20 seconds, he's already fully out, and he's made over $600 on this one coin alone. You can see if you do that 18 hours a day, multiple times a day, then it adds up very quickly, and it's also directly transferred from his past time in Fortnite. Now you can see here, this is another example of where the skills transfer. This is being under pressure and knowing how to price things in. Obviously, if you've never touched money before, it's going to be much harder to hold coins for longer and also price things in more accurately. So this is what Scented did here. He realized how big of an opportunity it was, and it led to one of his biggest P&Ls ever. Actually, his very biggest P&L ever. If you see here, he turned $856 into over $88,000. Just over 100x on one coin alone, which is absolutely insane. And it was all as a result of him knowing what to do when he's under pressure. When big opportunities arrive, he knows he needs to take time and price in the coin and actually get the most benefits out of it. As you can see, he turned $800 into over 80,000, which is absolutely insane. And he sold out slowly, over 50 transactions to make sure he got the best average possible. And this is obviously since he's used to being under pressure many times before. So other than Fortnite pros being naturally talented and fast due to all their grinding they've done before and being used to being under pressure since they've been at the World Cup and they've been at all these big events in the past, what else separates them from a normie? And why do these guys actually make so much money? And I would say this is probably the most likely outcome on why they make so much money, although the other things do factor into it. Knowing the right people and being in the right circles is the most crucial part. Now, I've got my Twitter pulled up of some of these ex-Fortnite Pro FNF groups, which is basically the groups that they grind in the Discords. This is one of the old ones. They don't really use this as much anymore, but you can see how many of these guys were ex-Fortnite Pros. Most of these guys on the list here either were an ex-Fortnite Pro or they were very good at Fortnite in their prime, you know, Creo being the most notable one out of all of them. And each one of these guys alone have made millions of dollars in the trenches as a result of this direct skill transfer. So whenever these Fortnite kids came in, they likely already knew someone that had made tons and tons of money in the trenches, so they could get onboarded into groups easier, they could get connections, they knew how to learn, they could ask way more questions, and that just dimmed down the edge quite a lot, so they could actually figure out the edge much faster than everyone else that had no one to talk to when they started. Now, this doesn't just go for Fortnite kids. Being in groups and knowing people around the space is one of the most important things. This is another example of a group that was originally a Fortnite clan, Grand FNF, which is probably arguably one of the top 3 FNFs on the blockchain. In its prime, they were making millions and millions and millions of dollars every month, and each member has over 8 figures easily as a result of these crazy runs they went on. But they did originally start out as a Fortnite clan, with every single one of them being crazy at Fortnite once upon a time. Now, obviously, if you don't already have these connections, it's quite hard to gain these connections if you don't have P&Ls in the space or you don't know anyone in the space. But I will link a video in the top right corner right now, which I teach you how to get into these insider groups, how to get into FNF groups, and how to actually grow your Twitter presence, and how do you get people to know you in the space and know what you do, know how much you make, and things of that nature. So if you aren't already a Fortnite Pro, you don't know anyone that trades meme coins, I probably would recommend giving that video a watch after this video so you can learn how to actually get into these groups and actually start building an edge within the trenches. So the final conclusion and question I come to: if you're a Fortnite Pro, how do you transfer your skills over to meme coins and start making hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month? You know, you don't actually have to be a Fortnite Pro, you can just be good at Fortnite, and I'm sure these skills will transfer over very quickly into the meme coin space. The first way I'd go about transferring my skills is obviously growing connections. As I said, I put a very big emphasis on growing connections. It's the easiest way to speed up your learning process. So if you don't already have a group from people that you play Fortnite with or play whatever other game you play that trade meme coins and are better than you at trading meme coins, you have to put emphasis on that again. If you're trading with people that are worse than you, you're only going to get worse. You're never going to get better. So it is important you trade with people better than you. So if you don't already have a group, you can go watch this video and you can see how to actually find yourself a good trading group, which is very crucial, especially when you're starting out, to have a very good voice chat to make sure you're always on top of every single coin coming out. The second thing I'd be saying is to stay locked in. No matter the market sentiment, no matter what people are saying on CT, no matter how much money you're making, you must stay locked in and know it's going to work out regardless of what's happening right now. 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, you will be up money regardless, as long as you don't quit and you keep on putting the hours in. As you can see here, Centered talks about his 15-hour shift. Centered has millions and millions of dollars, and he's still putting in 15, 14, 16 hours every single day to make sure he becomes better and becomes the greatest trader on the blockchain. The third thing is working on your flaws. You must work on your flaws. Spending all this time online does nothing if you keep on doing the same things. It will basically just be a route back to failure. Working on your flaws looks like something like this. If you fix your flaws, you're putting the rocks under the bridge so you can cross the bridge. If you don't know how to get to the mountain, you're just going to endlessly be walking around in circles and circles and circles until you're fully lost and you quit trading overall. So you need to figure out what you're doing wrong, whether it's the entries, whether it's the coins, whether it's your mentality, and you need to pinpoint it directly by journaling your trades and get better every single day of the week. If you keep on getting better, 1% better every day, and you're getting 1% better than the competition, you'll eventually be the best trader on the blockchain, and you'll eventually be making millions of dollars trading crypto meme coins. It's not that hard, and it's very easy to transfer your skills over from a professional video game or semi-professional and make it in meme coins very, very quickly. If you know what you're doing, you know what to look for, and you know your goals within the crypto space. Now, you might be watching this video and saying, Bez, but you never answer the question, why are Fortnite pros so good at meme coins? And I would put it down to one thing. It's their grind. It's their work ethic. They're very, very used to being at the screen non-stop, and they want it more than everyone else in the market. That's all a market is. It's a competitive market, a zero-sum game, meaning every dollar someone makes, someone loses a dollar. So there's always people trying to get better and better and better. And if you're not working every single day to get better and better and better, you're likely the ones that's going to be giving the money to the people like Scented, to the people like Booga, to the people like Nyrox, all these ex-Fortnite pros that were cracked at trading meme coins once upon a time. Now, I hope you did enjoy this video. This was a little bit of a different one where I go over, other people's trading styles, not really breaking it down too much. But if you are a Fortnite kid and you want to start trading meme coins, this is a very good channel to start. You can go watch some of my other videos, and I'm sure you'll learn and pick up the skill very, very fast, like Scented and all these other people did. Hope you did enjoy this video. Show some love if you did. Like, comment, subscribe, follow my Twitter, join my Telegram, all things of that nature. And if you want to support me, I left my Axiom link in the bio. That's how you trade on meme coins as a whole. And I'll see you in the next one.